ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashaphi taka Frank Motors. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
MIT University of Meghalaya. Our admissions are now open for the academic year 2024-25. Explore our best courses, experience global collaborations. Apply today.
Ke East West Group of Institution Bangalore kebeladon kemasan postemi bat ke Paidbah ke kod admission na kebenta ke nursing and paramedical course yang jingte bakambanya kol hakini ke number harum. Komisi benta berwanra ke syongsuk syongsan hapo ke Jylla hi borok kowe bat bagi kuan samla kenum sya elam bakla berlitrung syaki seng leno ka DGP ke Jylla ke kong ida shisha nongrang kelapen pau bagi pulit kidan kam menyetrelang haki imlang kasalang. Habis keran mikla pasai kubur ke kong ida shisha nongrang kalau ong ba ke jingdon jong ki pulit kam deben pentot lani penwet ia ki Paidbah hende kalong ban syakri na ke benta ki Paidbah jong ke Jylla. Ban kam jan shu bar ki Paidbah ke kong ida shisha kalau ong ba Sien hakashi Taïew kendan ke open house ne kata ke jingalang bagi Paidbah ki Kwah ban Kynduh ke DGP bar kata kendai haka kenjas ngi pale na dok kapor ka UBJ hadok kapor RBJ hende kidan kam ban bu dak appointment.
When it comes to misguided youth, I don't think it is only the duty of the police to be making efforts to show them a different path. It's something which the police has to work together with society, has to work together with other concerned well-meaning groups, and it should be a concerted effort. And we should be looking at having a synergy in ensuring that the youth, as you say, are not misguided. Perception that the Meghalaya police is hostile to the people. Let me put it very bluntly, correcting that influence, that perception, and to ensure that the people the police are accessible, are there to help you and not to harass you. In fact, to this end, we would be having a kind of an open house every week, one day of the week between 11 and 1. Most probably it will be on a Thursday. I would love if you would disseminate this information. We would be having open house in the sense that anybody who can walk in, who wants to meet the DG, I will give them a hearing, I will meet them personally. Other days, of course, they would have to take appointments, but most probably it would be a Thursday between 11 and 1 o'clock, and it could spill over. 11 to 2 most likely, that would be more today. 11 to 2, I would be accessible to the